Mint Mobile's unlock policy allows you to use your device on other GSM carriers after meeting certain requirements. As of September 2025, devices must be fully paid off, and your account must be in good standing with a minimum of 6 months of active prepaid service or 12 months on a postpaid plan. Some newer phone models require a 40-day waiting period after activation. Recent improvements include an online unlock portal for 24/7 requests, faster processing times, and expanded support for eSIM-enabled devices like the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. This policy is in line with FCC regulations, ensuring consumer flexibility. To initiate the unlock process, go to mintmobile.com/unlock. The process of unlocking your Mint Mobile device involves obtaining a unique unlock code, also known as an IMEI-based code. Start by visiting Mint Mobile's online portal or app to verify your eligibility. Once approved, you'll receive the unlock code via email or SMS. For physical SIM devices, insert a SIM card from another carrier after entering the unlock code. For eSIM devices, no physical code is needed. Simply scan a QR code for instant network switching. Keep in mind that not all devices are unlockable, especially older CDMA-only models. To avoid issues, back up your data before unlocking and ensure the new carrier's plan supports your device's specifications, including 5G capabilities. Remember that unlocking your device will not void the warranty, but might affect software updates if used on an unsupported network.